Wildfires are more frequent and devastating than a decade ago, worsening pollution, biodiversity loss, and public health.
Inspired by nature's engineers, the beavers, and National Geographic explorer Jordan Kennedy, who studies beavers' role in the environment,
we founded Ecoengineering in Action, a nonprofit to channel climate anxiety into action by building beaver dam analogs through partnership with local groups such as Symbiotic Restoration and American River Conservancy.
Beaver dams slow water flow, increase groundwater and wetlands.
By drought and fire, increase CO2 storage, biodiversity, and so much more.
Through workshops, webinars, and local fairs, we expand community outreach and awareness.
Partnering with geoengineers and ecologists, we foster hands-on learning and stewardship of our land restoration and climate resilience. The impact of our work is evident in photos and satellite images of forested property after just 1 year of beaver dam construction.
We also plant willows to attract beavers and conduct citizen science water quality testing.
We're encouraged by the overwhelming interest and engagement from the community. Together, we can replace wildfires with restored habitats.